You can't skateboard.
Nah, man, don't put yourself down like that.
You can't skateboard.
Nah, you're so good at skateboarding. Nah, I've seen you do an ollie before, bro. Yeah,
Why?
you're really good. Nah, yeah, let's go.
All right, you convinced me. Hey man, I think you took my gun.
This isn't your gun. I found it in the fridge.
That's my gun, dog. Can you please give it back?
You can have it back for 20 bucks. I found this. Finders keepers.
Okay.
Can you help me with this gun? Please. I'm begging. I really need help with this gun. I need help really bad, bro. Yo, this gun right here, I need some help. Honestly, I need some help. I don't know what I'm doing. To be honest with you. Yo, do you know how this thing works? Because each time I fucking pull it back, motherfuckers like pop out like that.
Snap.
That's what I'm saying. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't.
I love with you, dog. You kind of lost a few. Here, let me show you. Let me show you how it works. So, you only have these many right now? Oh, hold on, I'm trying to
We only need one.
Okay.
Alright. Wanna play again? I'm pretty good at it, right? Alright, cock it. You wanna do it?
Yeah.
I'll do it for you. Alright, you just hold on. Oh my god! I'm such a big fan, Big Tasty. I'm booty.